Hey there, how's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're going to go over how to draw Snoopy like in a Christmas way, like with a Christmas hat. I'm going to be using this marker, and it's going to talk about Snoopy from Peanuts. It's going to be step by step. It's easy, and if you're a beginner, this is great. This is a great place to start. If also you don't have to follow along, you can just watch. It's going to be really short, 3 to 5 minutes. So let's get started. Pay attention and let's go. Let's get going. I'm going to start with a curve for Snoopy's nose. Pull up, pull across back for kind of a band on Snoopy's head. It's going to be the brim of the hat. It's really just kind of a rectangular shape. Pull down for the kind of hat falling over the side. Curve, looking for that hat. There's a ball here at the end of that Christmas hat. His ear is going to be right below that, and I'm going to fill that in. His ear is black. I'm a huge Peanuts fan. I love, love, love that show growing up. It's going to be a dot here for his eye. Little ball here at the end for his nose. But I really love Charlie Brown and all of his adventures, and Snoopy was a big part of that. Smile. Pull down. If you're having trouble with this, feel free to rewind, pause, do whatever you need to do. I know what it's like to begin drawing something and you want to get in that first shot, but you know, if you kind of new at it, it's seldom going to happen in the first shot. It could, but give it a chance. It doesn't have to look identical to what I'm drawing here. It can look close enough and you'll be fine. And just try it over and over till you get it. It's really quick. All right, pulling a line across for his collar. Now for the belly, hand, now the back, pulling down for his feet. His feet are like basically little potatoes. They're like really kind of ball, like those little oval potato shaped things. Pull up, and he has that tail. And he will kind of have a spot in the back here. And again, dashes for his paws. But that's pretty much it. What I can do is I kind of like toy with, and I do this all the time, I toy with the outer edges of it because I think it looks kind of cool to do that. It makes it look kind of like a sticker. Oh, whoops, I forgot his paws. It's really just little lines on his feet. I just like that because I think it looks cool. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Rewind that if you need to. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I reply to every single comment. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed that and you love drawing cute stuff, go down. I have in the description, I have a cute drawing ebook. It is an ebook, 10 pages. You can print it out and have it. You can pretty much have it right now. And just follow the link in the description. It is how to go over drawing cute stuff. I love it. So thank you so much, guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Merry Christmas.